In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the language in Adobe Premiere Pro. So you want to start by heading over to the Premiere Pro application, and from here you just want to press Ctrl plus F12 on your keyboard, and that's going to bring up the console window. If you're on a Mac computer, you'll need to press the Fn command and the F12 key. Once you've opened up the console window, click on this hamburger menu next to the text console and select Debug Database View. From the search box, type in the word language and hit enter. And right at the top, you'll see application language. Now, this text here is what you need to replace to change the language. So all we need to do now is find out the code for the language that we want to change to. So to do this, just head over to an internet browser and in the search engine, type in Softaculous language codes and hit enter. Then you need to head over to this first website here. And if you scroll down, you'll be able to see all of the different language codes that relate to each of the different languages. So for example, let's say if we wanted to change our language into Spanish, you can see this is the code for Spanish. So I'm going to copy this, head back over to Premiere Pro and paste that code inside of here. Once you've entered the code, you can then close out of this window and you'll need to restart your Adobe Premiere Pro application. And once it's restarted, that would have now changed the language into Spanish. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.